Tell the people morning. Come. Say morning. Say morning. Hey. Tell the people morning, Mr. Man. No? Nah, let's go. Maybe you haven't noticed, but there's only one you. So, do all the good you can for all the people you can for as long as you can. But whatever you do, don't forget about you. YouTube family, welcome back. So, yesterday I made a community post and I said, I'm going to put a screenshot here, but I believe I said that I was overhearing a conversation, or I overheard a conversation between a med-surg nurse and her supervisor, and she was saying to the supervisor that she's drowning. She said, "I'm drowning." Those were her exact words, "I'm drowning." And she went on to, I believe, ask the supervisor to pass some meds and some other task. I never stayed for the duration of the conversation. But long and short of it is, when she said that she was drowning, I feel it. I felt it because, as I said in previous videos, I have been there. I've been there on that med-surg floor where it feels as though you just can't catch up. You're just running around. You have tasks to do for different patients and you just can't seem to catch up, and you're always behind. When it comes down to documentation, it's like, it's just a mess, right? So I really and truly, in that moment, I felt her pain and I made that post. But while I was making the post and even afterwards, I was saying to myself, I'm wondering if I'm doing more harm than good, because even reading through some of the comments, there are some people who have asked me, just my genuine opinion and if they should pursue nursing, if they should do nursing, or if they should do something else. And you have some people who write out, are basically telling me thanks for sharing that information because they're going to make a decision not to do nursing. They're going to make a decision not to start nursing school, or, and I think also a CNA also commented and said she was, I guess, supposed to start a CNA position, I think in January. I don't remember when it was, but she was saying, she not bother because of the things that I was saying. And, while I want to spread awareness, while I want to make the realities of nursing in America known, and nursing specifically as a med-surg nurse, because remember, my experience that I was sharing was based on being on a med-surg floor. So I want everyone to understand this, that this is not, or this was not a representation or a description of nursing on a whole. This was a specific unit at a specific time. So the things that I say, you have to understand it, in context, right? So now you can't broad brush all of nursing and say, guess what, nursing in America foolishness, or nursing in America too hard, I'm not gonna do it. That's not what I'm saying. Because if you listen closely, you heard me say that I am no longer a med-surg nurse, but I do dialysis, right? So I am still a nurse. I still use my nursing license. I still use my nursing degree, but I use it in a different capacity, right? So I felt like I just needed to do this video, just to encourage somebody and to really just clear the air and shed light on what I'm really and truly trying to bring across. And that is that nursing is a great field, I would tell anybody to do a nursing degree. If you see yourself in healthcare, nursing is a good degree to do. Bottom line, because as I said in the video where I was talking about why I became a nurse, being a nurse or having a nursing degree, it's marketable. It's marketable because a nurse is a nurse anywhere in the world. So while different territories or different regions may require you to do their own licensing exam or their own whatever it is to meet their standard, or nursing is nursing anywhere in the world. That is the bottom line. So marketability, it is there 110%. My father told me some time ago that everything in life is buy and sell. Buy and sell. So he was explaining to me and he was saying, basically I bought my nursing degree. I bought the degree, right? Because you have to pay a tuition to get the degree, and now I am selling it. So I never really saw it like that at that time, or before that. I never saw it like that. So really and truly, your nursing degree is like a product, right? It is a product that will always be in demand, right? So if you know anything about business, you know that it's about demand and supply. And businesses often fail because there's no longer a demand for the product, right? So businesses that thrive are often businesses who offer a service or a product that is always in demand, right? Or even if it is no longer in demand, they know how to pivot and to switch and to change things around for the market. And I'm just saying that nursing, a nursing degree, your nursing license is like a product that will always be in demand. So even if you do a nursing degree, if you do nursing and you decide to start working and you say, guess what? This is not for me. At the end of the day, you have that degree. That degree have your name on it. Nobody else's name on it. That is yours. Your name is on it. So you can choose whether to sell it by offering your services or to put it one side and do something else. But at the end of the day, you can't lose, right? So I really just want everyone to understand that my venting or my sharing of information and my attempt to spread awareness about the realities is not, I'm not trying to turn anyone away from the profession. That is not what I'm trying to do. Because as I said, because I would be a hypocrite, because right now I'm still a nurse. I'm still earning from it actively. Like, it's not like I'm no longer working as a nurse. I am a nurse. I would be a hypocrite, right? So I'm just trying to bring awareness, about different areas of nursing. And as I said, there are so many different options. Like, just read through the comments under the videos that I did prior to this one. There are people who are sharing their experience. There are so many people who said, hey, I started out in med-surg, but now I work in the ICU. I started out in med-surg, but now I work in a cath lab. Now I do school nursing. Now I'm a travel nurse. Now I'm this, now I'm that. Now I work outpatient at a doctor's office. You can work at an infusion, I think they call them infusion center, where all you do, you hook up patients to IV drips, and that's what you do for the whole day, right? Or you can work in a detox, where you do similar to that. You give them IV solutions and so on, and detox, whatever they do at detox, right? So there are options. So my reality and the things that I experience in med-surg, that does not have to be your reality. You get me? So if you're thinking about it and you say, should I really and truly pursue nursing? I would say yes. Because as I said before, you can't lose. It is a product that will always be in demand. Looking at it from the financial aspect, but also a part of it that I get is fulfillment. If you're a person and your personality is like this, where you love to serve people, where you love to help people, where you have a caring personality or you have a compassionate heart and all that, nursing, you can't lose, right? Because you're doing what you love. One, you're doing something that comes natural to you, but you're also being paid for it. So why not? Yeah? So this is just my attempt to clear the air and to just encourage somebody. If that's what you want to do it. Understand? But yeah, we'll talk again. Blessings.